Hello, my name is Hayley Parcell and I am the Head of Clinical Development here at Microba. At Microba, we've been working hard to trawl the microbiome literature and analyse our world-leading microbiome discovery database. This has led us to identify the most up-to-date clinical considerations for you and your patients. We now have more clinical considerations than ever before to support you in your practice. You will find within the microbial metabolites section of the report the introduction of two new markers, methane and hexaacetylated LPS. Methane is a consideration for patients that may be experiencing constipation, as it's been shown to affect gut motility. Hexaacetylated lipopolysaccharide has been proven to be the most pro-inflammatory form of LPS, and we have updated this marker to improve its clinical relevance. If found to be elevated, consider that hexa-LPS may be contributing to inflammatory conditions. To understand more about these new microbial metabolites, you'll find tutorial videos within the Clinical Resource Hub. Moving into the existing microbial metabolites, you'll find that new clinical insights and applications have been added to a number of the metabolites, including trimethylamine, hydrogen sulfide, butyrate, propionate, branched-chain amino acids, and beta-glucuronidase. I encourage you to jump in and have a good look around when your next patient report arrives. Lastly, you will also notice a change within the microbiome digestion potential section of the report where mucin degradation has been introduced. This is a new key marker to assess with each patient because the mucosal lining of the gut is an important protective layer for our gastrointestinal tract. Some microbes can use our mucin as a fuel source, which is part of healthy mucosal turnover. However, excessive mucin degradation by our microbes may indicate a less intact mucosal lining, which may adversely affect our patient's health. To learn more about this new marker, be sure to watch the video tutorial within the Clinical Resources Hub. If you're excited to explore these new updates before your next patient report is available, please log into the Insight demonstration portal here. Also, make sure to visit the Resource Hub, which you can locate via your healthcare portal to learn more about the new clinical insights. We trust that these new updates will add more value than ever to your patients' reports. And from all of us at Microba, please take care.